See what I mean? You just have a conversation with the guitar and you're learning the notes as you go. It sticks in your brain. You're not going to be able to get Diane or Sharp out of your mind. I'm just letting you know, like, I was thinking about it over, like, in the nighttime. Call Diane every day for show Sharp, got a Sharp, C Sharp, dang, hey, like all these different things. But it's just a fun way to learn this beautiful instrument called guitar. What's going on, everybody? Octavia here. So I want to share with you something that happened over the weekend, and my mind was like literally unlocked to learning 24 notes. And now I'm able to identify the ones in between the notes. And I want to share with you how I actually did that using a story conversation, if you will, between Sharp and Diane. You'll get used to those names when you get into the story. I'm using, first of all, the 3rd, the 5th, the 7th, and the 9th fret. And shout out to Sam's guitar because I learned to start there as a landmark. But what I'm going to share with you, the fun way that I taught myself, is I added a conversation to make these notes stick in my brain. All right, so let's start from the beginning. It goes open string E, everybody. Gabs, G, A, B. C sharp, meaning like C sharp. Sharp is a person. You'll get this in the story. Next string is you get your instruction. Hey, call Diane every day. For show, Sharp. That's A, C, D, E, F, sharp. Okay. Our 3rd string is our break string. We're like, dang, open D. Finally, get a break. Next string is great. Then you want to confirm. A sharp. Call Diane every day. A sharp, C, D, E. And he's like, open B, bet. Diane every day. For sure, Sharp. Got it, Sharp. And then you're back to the string 1, which is everybody, open string, Gabs, G, A, B, C sharp. Now let me show you the characters because that will probably help you tie it all together. So the fun way to learn the guitar fretboard through the Sharp and Diane story. Find more helpful resources at patreon.com/Octavia Life Music. So I'll be adding like jam tracks there and just the different PDFs that I create for myself to help me learn this instrument because it's like a language in itself. So each note turns into part of a story. So like we did, call Diane every day. Call Diane every day. Once you learn the story, you'll always know where you are on the fretboard. So this is Sharp. So he's thinking about how people used to chat and have conversations back in the day. And he's telling himself, nobody talks anymore. Tech ruined real conversation. So he's kind of bummed out. All right, so let's scroll down here. And then he meets somebody and they go, everybody Gabs. And she's pointing at everyone having conversations. C sharp. And he changes his mood. And he goes, wait, people are talking. It's alive and well. So he's happy to know that people are still having real conversations. All right, so let's scroll down. So he says, he gets this wonderful idea. He goes, hey, if they're still talking, maybe Diane wants to too. And so Diane, she's a guitarist, and he's thinking about calling her. Maybe he can encourage her to play every day and practice every day. So he comes up with this big idea to call Diane every day. Remember, C, D, E. All right, Sharp cracked it. Diane's getting a call every day to play and to chat. All right, and so I just said, try it. You'll finally unlock the neck of your guitar. Take some getting used to, but I know that you can do it, you guys. And here it is. This is what we've been talking about. Everybody Gabs. C sharp, bet. Diane every day, that's going down that way. You can do it if you want to go from 1 all the way to 6. You can actually still keep the conversation going. It's a little different, but I say start the convo on the 6th string. Everybody Gabs, G, A, B, C sharp, A. Call Diane every day. For sure, Sharp. All right, fourth string, you get a break. Remember that. Dang. Finally get a break. And you're like, great, that's that open G. But then you say, hey, Sharp, call Diane every day? And then open B, he says, bet, Diane, every day. Then you say, for sure, Sharp. Got it, Sharp. And you're home free. You're back to the open string E, everybody gabs, G, A, B, C sharp. So that's the conversation. And when you start the convo on the sixth string and work your way up, it's a lot easier than going from 1 to 6, but you can do it that way. You can go 1 to 6 too, just a little different. Here's the chart where you can actually give it a shot yourself, just with the notes on the 3rd, the 5th, the 7th, and the 9th fret. We have them right there. See what I mean? You just have a conversation with the guitar and you're learning the notes as you go. It sticks in your brain. You're not going to be able to get Diane or Sharp out of your mind. I'm just letting you know, like I was thinking about it over like in the nighttime. Call Diane every day for show Sharp, got a Sharp, C sharp, dang, hey, like all these different things. But it's just a fun way to learn this beautiful instrument called guitar. I really, really am grateful that I'm getting like some divine downloads to make it fun so that it doesn't seem so hard to learn. And it's like you just get one little thing at a time that gets unlocked. And I hope that this has helped you in some form or fashion. It does take a little bit of time. I mean, honestly, I got it with the story in about, I'd say a good 10 minutes, just going through it. And I'm like, so I hope this little method, this story helps unlock the fretboard for you. And then you'll be able to find the notes in between and just feel good, give you a little bit more confidence. Like, man, I'm learning this thing because everybody learns differently. That's the thing. And this is why I did what I did in terms of putting the charts and making up characters and all these different things. It wasn't something I sat down to do. Like, I'm going to make a story with Sharp and Diane. It was a divine download. And honestly, I was like asking for a miracle. Like, I got to learn these scales. I got to learn the fretboard. And I know it's a long game, but it's like I felt like it was so hard for me to memorize it. And just getting that download, I was very happy about it. So I hope that it helps you guys too. If this video did help you, please give this video a like. Definitely drop 3 blue diamonds in the comments. That tells me that you were vibing. That tells me you were here. That tells me you got some gems out of this video. It's just love to hear your feedback just to see if this helped you. I hope that somebody's like, yo, I did it. And I got it, and I'm memorizing it through the story of Sharp and Diane. Subscribe for more. I do not just beginner guitar content on this channel as I'm learning and taking lessons, but also my own personal music. I have a lot of different albums out and on my website, octavialifemusic.com. You guys can check it out, all uplifting, positive, a lot of spiritual vibes there, just stuff to get your spirit right and your mind right, keep your head up and your shoulders back. I also love to help artists too, just with tips and just the things that I've learned over my long time of being an independent artist and having a level of success that I'm comfortable with, which is being able to create the stuff that I love and to make a little money along the way. So this was a different kind of video, but I really hope that you enjoyed it. I really do. All right, I'm out of this piece. I think before I leave, I should at least play you a couple chords. What do you think? See you guys later.